Hi guys, quick update lang tayo dito sa Deepen project na mga pina-farm natin, a potential airdrop. Ang daming mga nagtatanong sa atin nito kung ano na nga ba yung pinaka-update, no? So ano na nga ba yung status nung mga Deepen na pina-farm, kailan yung potential airdrop, and silipin din natin yung recent update dito kay Bliss. Itong si Bliss guys ay kagaya siya ni Grass, no? Ang daming mga nag-earn nito before. Meron pa tayong mga Deepen project na pina-farm, kasama dyan yung Gradient. Ayan. So, pag-uusapan natin yan dito sa video natin today, as well as yung hints dito kung kailan yung potential token generation event, no? And other details dito kay Bliss, kasi meron silang ginawang recent article. So, discuss natin yan dito sa video natin today. Pero bago tayo dito magsimula, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na ito, please like this video first, subscribe yung YouTube channel natin, turn all bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel, guys, no? So, may mga nagtatanong, kamusta na yung Deepen potential airdrop na pina-farm natin. Ito guys, I'll just give some updates lang, as well as to answer your questions dito. Again, airdrop is purely speculative na yan, does not guarantee. So, previously we have this Grass airdrop happened and marami mga nakapag-earn doon, no? So, kailangan lang dito guys na meron kang internet, tapos naka-open yung like extension or nodes, is that ma-incentivize yung hindi mo ginagamit na bandwidth, no? So, it will be converted into points, and yung points na yon will be converted into tokens, no, kagaya nitong kay Grass for the past couple of months dito na nagkaroon ng airdrop. So again, as mentioned, hindi guaranteed yung airdrop guys, no. So again, itong video natin today is just for ideas lang, for reference, and just want to share my experience and answer your questions dito guys, na does it qualify as an investment or financial advice, since we just discussing dito ng crypto and this kind of airdrop guys, no. So dito naman, ang kailangan mo lang dito is that kailangan mo pa rin ng internet, no. Yun. So kailangan mo ng internet. If you have cellphone or desktop computer, is that one of the requirements or kailangan guys, no. So you need some resources pa rin to get this like points, no. So ngayon pag-uusapan natin guys itong si Bliss, no. So, puntahan natin yung recent post nila sa X. Ayan. So, dito guys, yung pinaka-tokenomics nila, siguro, papayawan ko na lang. Ayan. They mentioned dito na merong allocation for airdrop na ito. So, may allocation, 10% yung allocation sa airdrop. And meron silang dalawang tokens. Like, meron dito mga nag-post na sa community. So, meron silang token na time. Ito yung ticker, which is 100M per epoch. And Born rewards participation. Tapos, meron naman silang Bliss, no? Ito is 10 billion fix. And like, drives ownerships, no? So, dito, hindi nila na-edit yung pinaka-token release schedule. Meron silang dates. Ayan, no. So, June 2025, tas December 2025. If I'm not mistaken, Q3, yung gantong token release schedule, no. Yung token generation event. We'll see. Wala pa naman silang pinaka-exact date. Pero meron kasi sila ditong pinaka-example, no. Example lang naman ito, pero merong dates. Nakalimutan ata nila tanggalin before nila i-post ito, pero updated na doon sa recent vlog nila na ginawa as per checking kanina. So ito yung pinaka token release schedule. Ayan, as we can see, merong allocation for the airdrop, medyo malaki-laki itong kulay violet na ito. Community as well, ito yan yung kulay dilaw. So merong tinatawag na schedule for the release, no. Ito. So, gradually na nire-release yung token if ever na magkaroon sila ng token generation event or TGE. So, other ideas pa dito. Yung airdrop, isa sa mga napansin ko lang din sa kanilang article na ginawa, no. So, pwede nating puntahan yung article na yon. Like, ito. So, dito sa pinakababa, ito yung mention natin na Time and Bliss. Yung dalawang token nila, no? So, something like a utility token and the governance token. And, let's go down. Supply distribution, ayan. Yung pinakita natin, merong 10% allocation for the airdrop. Yeah, ito. 10% allocation for the airdrop, no? Token release, ayan. So, makikita natin, pinalitan na nila ng TGE. So, yun. Isa sa mga updates dito for this. Ayan, isa sa mga napansin ng community. So, confirmed for Q3. And, yeah. Hope you get some updates dito, guys, kay Bliss. I'm continuously farming dito. Tas, itong kay Gradient. Yung mga official link naman nito, lalagay ko na lang sa description ng video na ito para pwede nyo i-check para na rin makaiwas ang phishing links. Online guest. So, I just drop lang yung official link netong si Bliss, Gradient. And I think kay Grass, still farming pa rin pero matagal na ito, Epoch 9 patapos na. And we'll see, guys, kung papaano ang magiging update dito, token generation event nitong si Bliss. Gradient as well, still farming as well as itong kay Don, no? So, yun, quick update lang dito, guys, tayo sa mga Deepend project na pina-farm natin kung marang mga developments, updates. I'll keep you posted lang dito sa ating YouTube channel. Don't hesitate to ask lang kasi ginagawa naman natin ito ng update and content dito sa ating YouTube channel, guys, no? So, hope you get some insights today. Sa mga nagtatanong, hope I acknowledge your questions dito. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.